Hi everybody, welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, Kim, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the kitchen because I'm making two things for you. Or for me, but yeah, you get what I meant. And so let's get started. So I'm doing my smoothie and pancakes, my specialty. So for the smoothie, you need strawberry yogurt, dairy-free, applesauce in my base, protein powder, and my milk, also dairy free. And then you need a cup and a spoon, and then the blender. So what you do, the cup, and then you're going to fill the applesauce into the cup. I don't measure, I just eye it. So that's the base of it. So we got the applesauce base. And with our strawberry yogurt. You just fill it to where you want it. And then with our protein powder, we do 2 spoonfuls. And I realized that I need another spoon. The protein powder. I do 2 scoops because then you get 15 grams of protein. It's good for me right now. And then with our milk, but also dairy free, you shake it first and then you pour it in. And you can do like orange juice, you can do whatever juice you want. And then you put on the lid, what is this one? And you're ready to blend, which I am not. Switch side and do pancake mix. And I have my pancake mix right here, but I'm also going to show you what it looks like. So this is gluten-free and so good. You can find this at Natural Grocers. So I do 4 spoonfuls of pancake mix. And this will get me like 3 or 4 pancakes normally. And then you do our cauliflower. And I usually do a little bit of it. Smells like holly. And before I add the milk in, I try to stir it just to make sure the cauliflower is coated. So like that. And then you add our milk. And you can find my milk at Safeway, National Grocer, and Whole Foods. Or a health store in the town. And then you just mix it around. And okay, it is lumpy. Is that what the cauliflower is? So it's too runny, you can add more of this thing. It's too thick, add more milk. But I think it's okay. Yeah, this is fine. And you wonder what the coconut oil is, what it's there for. So it's not for the batter, it's actually for the pan. You gotta unscrew it, get a paper towel. Wow, that works. And folded the paper towel. And for coconut oil, it like really at the bottom, and butter knife to get it. For me, I just get some on my paper towel, like so. I can't really see it, but there. And then with a pan, you just spread it. The paper towel helped with the feeling of the coconut oil, because when you wash, it feels like glue. And I don't like that feeling. So I try to like, what can I spread it on? And coconut oil will help with the pancake not to stick to it. Hopefully. Once you get it oil on there, you put it on here on the stove, turn it to medium, and wait for it to get hot. Okay, I put away all my stuff. And now I am going to blend my smoothie while I wait for the pan to get hot. Usually I shake it just to make sure it all mixes together. And then I blend it. And if you're looking it on headphones, turn it down. And you're not, well, good luck. Smoothie all blended. Here it is. Cheers. The pan is ready. Oh yeah, here are the sizzles. You can make it big or small or weird shape. You can do whatever you want. My flipper and my bowl for later, and my maple syrup. And wait until the bubbles are all good, and then you flip. If you flip too soon, it will get too doughy. And you flip it too late, it get really dark. So yeah, wait. So they are lightly brown, but not too much. They look like like that. A little bit of golden brown. You can do it more if you want, but I like it somewhat lighter. So you can like this video of me cooking cauliflower pancake and my smoothie. Give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I be posting. Share it with a family friend, and I'll see you. Yeah.